Your VA home loan on first use, you have unlimited. So they'll approve you for whatever you can afford to pay, right? So you can buy a $3 million property, $4 million property, or $0 down. It's crazy, but it's such an amazing benefit that we earned. But let's say you buy a $400,000 house in San Diego and you buy another house up in LA. It goes based off the county. So $400,000 house in San Diego, you can now buy another house up to your maximum VA entitlement. So,
Okay.
So it would be $600K, $0 down.
So basically we use half, so about 350 each or something like that.
Yeah, something like that. So your next use would be pretty much you maxing it out. So if you may not have enough for a duplex, because maybe anything over, let me think through this. Together, you guys might be around 1.2 mil. Anything over 1.2 mil, you need to put 25% down. So for me, when I bought my house in San Diego, $400,000 house, I went home to buy my mama house in LA. The VA would approve me for $550,000, $0 down. Anything over 550, I need to put 25% down. So I bought a $600,000 house. So 550 minus 600,000, it's 50K. So I had to put 12.5K down. If I bought a $650,000 house, I need to put 25K down. Does that make sense? Yeah, over whatever your limit is.
Oh, okay. I was thinking 25% of the price.
Oh no, it's just over whatever your limit is.
So you put 2,500 down.
I put 12.5K down for my mom's house.
12, yeah.
Yeah. So now at that point, I had 2 VA home loans. So I refied my mom's home, right? About a year later, because you can buy a house every year. So now I have half my entitlement back. So I took that half entitlement and.
So once you finance, it resets it.
Yeah, you can use it again. This is the crazy thing. So that's how I bought 4 houses in 4 years.